This is a story about a dog named Bantai. You see that dog over there? She followed me home from a run one day and kept coming and going, but eventually she stayed and had a litter of puppies. Not just one puppy, but a lot of puppies. 8 puppies to be exact, 7 boys, 1 girl. All super cute. I wanted to protect him, so I built them a pen out of papers we'd lying around. They just slept and ate and grew. Wait, this one's walking already. How are you walking? They were blind little puppies, their eyes hadn't opened yet, always searching for food. Look at that little tongue. But eventually their eyes opened up, and their mama could not hide from them anymore. The little puppies found her wherever she went. They ate, and they grew. They got bigger. They got stronger. Started playing with one another. And of course, they were still super cute. There was this one puppy. I called him the Runt. He was the smallest of the litter. I was worried for his health. Didn't think he was getting enough food. So, I got a bottle and started feeding him with some puppy formula. He didn't do too well with the bottle, but he did awesome with a bowl of formula. He got stronger, and so did the rest. They started playing with each other, learning their social cues, learning how to be dogs. The pen I built them could hardly contain them anymore. They're getting so big. And they ate real food. A lot of food. They went through 25 pounds of dog food every 3 to 4 days. You guys ready for some cuteness? Here's Puppy running. Even though I loved each and every one of the puppies, I knew I couldn't take care of them all. So, I put them up for adoption. Go! So, one puppy is leaving us now. I named him Stripe. Stripe because he had a big stripe on his chest. But yeah, time for him to find his new family. At first, this family only picked up Stripe, but when they heard his brother Brindle was available, they picked him up too. More pups going home. The Runt is making his way home. The Runt is gonna go. Bye buddy. Bye buddy. And then the pretty one. Alright, so this is the Runt. This is the Runt. He grew up. He's all healthy now. I was worried about his health earlier, but he grew up to be a strong little puppy. And this one is the Brindle, who likes to squeeze his face into weird spots. Bye guys, I'm gonna miss you guys. Miss playing with you guys. See you guys later. I'm so happy that they all went to such great homes. Heading over to give the girl puppy to the new family. It's going to go to a little boy, and his grandma's picking him up, going to surprise him.
There's your puppy. She's heavy. Try picking her up.
And these are the 2 puppies that we're keeping. Make sure to spay and neuter your dogs. Alright guys, see you guys later. Peace out. Puppy. Come on, stop licking everything but the bottle. Right here.